Hey everyone, Extreme speaking. We're back with some crypto news. What's been moving lately? Well, we got quite a few big movers, especially EOS, who's just ripping it apart. It went up massively, currently up around 35%, but we're up on one stage over 55%. And that was just in 8 hours. Ripping the markets apart, moving up well. And this after it's been consolidating and moving sideways for quite a while. As you can see, it's structured sideways, a little bit up and not much. And finally, it's breaking free. Will it reach previous highs? We really don't know yet, but let's see, is there any news supporting the move up or forcing it? Let's see what the market says. Yes, we got the message from Forbes, the article just an hour ago. Let's see. EOS rallies more than 50% to reach highest in almost 3 years. Well, the market is pretty high at this current stage, so who's gonna complain about that? Did you buy EOS? Well, if you followed my channel, you'll know we did give a warning around the $5 mark, telling people in the podcast, and the analyst from DTA said the opportunity is massive. But let's see what Forbes say. EOS price surged today, climbing over 50% in a matter of hours after Blockstack announced that it had created a new subsidiary, Bullish Global, with more than $10 billion in funding. The latest news was announced after Blockstack provided Bullish Global with both cash and digital asset. Going forward, the subsidiary plans to work towards the launch of cryptocurrency exchange Bullish later in 2021. EOS, which serves as the native token of a platform for decentralized applications, dApps, reached $14.11 earlier this afternoon, according to CoinDesk data. At this point, it was up roughly 56.6% since the start of the day and was trading at its highest since June 2018, additional CoinDesk futures reveal. Interestingly enough, the digital asset started its descent around 8:30 a.m. EDT, which was shortly after the announcement was made at 8 a.m. EDT. EDT note: investing in crypto coins or tokens is highly speculative and the market is largely unregulated. Anyone considering it should be prepared to lose their entire investment. While today's rallies was impressive, multiple asset analysts claimed that EOS was well positioned for gains. Well, at this current stage, who's gonna complain? Some big news came out for EOS and it ripping the markets apart, being up 38% at this stage after being up over the 56% earlier today. What a movement, and yet again another coin which is affected by market news, and that's why I created this channel. Every day, twice a day, I'm bringing you the news, and let's see what's just pushing the markets up. The next one we're looking at is Dash. Dash 15% up after being under $100 earlier this year. But what is forcing it up? Is it just market related, or is there any news supporting it? Let's see. No news regarding Dash at this stage. Interesting. no news. But what is Dash? Dash is a digital cash designed to offer financial freedom to everyone. Payments are instant, easy and secure with near zero fees. Built to support real-life use cases, Dash is the leading decentralized payment solution. Users can purchase goods at thousands of merchants and trade it at major exchanges and brokers around the globe. And that's not the only use from Dash. As far as my knowledge goes, Dash used to be, if it's still at this current stage, the biggest node out there. So Dash in the second place, moving up currently. Let's see, DOGECOIN up again. This coin just don't get out of the top at this current stage. But is there any new news supporting it? Let's see. Nothing much. Let's see. Yes, 1 hour ago. Doge is in the news yet again, helping and supporting it. 𝙏𝙗𝙧 𝙔𝙤𝙧 and DOGECOIN take the lead as Bitcoin consolidates. Canine-themed meme tokens like Allen, SHIB and Doge have taken control of the market while Bitcoin consolidates below the $57,000 and Ethereum holds above the $4,000 mark. Cryptocurrency traders awoke to an altcoin bonanza as a handful of meme tokens, along with some of the more established projects, staged double-digit rallies, while Bitcoin price slowly recovers to the $57,000 mark. The biggest event generating conversation across the crypto sector and social media is the rise of Doge-themed tokens, inspired by the recent mega rally from DOGECOIN. The more than 20,000% rally from Doge has shocked value investors across the world, and many Bitcoin maximalists and equities traders are scratching their heads in confusion, given that Doge was originally created as a simple joke. And that's my main thought about Doge as well. It was created as a joke, but I don't mind the coin. The thing is, it doesn't have any usage yet. Is Tesla going to start accepting DOGECOIN for payments? Will be that the start of it? While Doge has experienced a 40% pullback since reaching an all-time high of 74 cents on May 8th, other canine-themed tokens have jumped out ahead of the pack to take the lead while DOGECOIN takes a breather. Demands for Shiba has been so intense that buyers overwhelmed the Binance system with deposits, causing the top exchange to run out of deposit addresses, while the Binance Smart Chain-based Australian safe Shepherd token has gained more than 400% in 24 hours. The Elon Musk expired 𝙏𝙗𝙧 has rallied 170%, while Ether continues to hold the $4,000 level as bulls successfully defend against any significant move to the downside. EOS, the 𝙏𝙗𝙧 Ethereum killer, has seen the price spike more than 40% after Blockstack announced that it had secured $10 billion in funding for the creation of an EOS-based cryptocurrency exchange called Bullish Global. Other notable altcoins gains include the 30% rally in the price of Yearn Finance to establish a new record high of $77,000 and a $20 spike in the price of Reef, 20%, to an intraday high of 50 cents. The overall cryptocurrency market cap now stands at 2.449 trillion, and Bitcoin's dominance rate is at 42.8. Dogecoin on a move yet again. Will they find a usage for Dogecoin? Will it stay or will it go? Well, follow my channel as I'm bringing out my ultimate Dogecoin prediction. Where could Dogecoin go? What could it become? How big could it become? What's your price thoughts on it? Leave it here in the comments. And if you want me to look at any coins, let me know. As we move on, the next big mover is TEZOS. Up a decent 11%. But let's see, is there anything in the market supporting the move? Or is it just pure volume? Yes, about an hour ago, we did have an article. Let's see what's the news. Is it significant? Is it pushing the price up? Or is it just a random indication? Let's see what's out there. What's helping the market go further? Current news on TEZOS. TEZOS 6 protocol upgrade brings more optimization as Florence goes live. Let's see what it's saying. It seems like only yesterday that TEZOS underwent its 5th upgrade, which added some significant features to the ever-evolving platform, such as tickets, the adoption period, and sapling. Merely 3 months after this milestone, the TEZOS network has adopted its 6th upgrade, named Florence, after the ironic city in Italy. So what does this upgrade bring to the rapidly evolving TEZOS blockchain? Let's dig into it. Just as Edo brought on several features, upgrades, and refinements, Florence continues the strong track record and optimization and refinements that has made TEZOS synonymous with rapid evolution that can absorb the latest and greatest features in the space. So yet again, another news article forcing the market up. The network activity has surpassed 1 million contract calls in 1 month, indicating rapidly growing interest and engaging with the TEZOS ecosystem tools and projects. On these NFT-focused projects like 𝙏𝙏𝙖𝙑 and 𝙏𝙏𝙖𝙑 are helping fuel the growth as artists of all genres discover the TEZOS alternative for their NFT needs. TEZOS provide the high performance, rapidly evolving and low carbon footprint platform that vastly outshines its competitors. Neither the growth nor the advantages that TEZOS currently possesses are an accident. These are by design, further facilitated by its ability to rapidly evolve and upgrade. So, TEZOS just had their 6th upgrade, and that's pushing the market up. And that's a good thing. There's reason and usage for this to move. Let's see, our final one that's been moving lately, up 11.5%, is Blockstack yet again. It's been up and moving quite a bit. Let's see, is there any news supporting it? Let's see, just tweets, no real news, just the market pushing it up as it goes. But let's see, next one is Bitcoin Cash. This is the most used cryptocurrency around the world, up at 11%. Any news supporting it, or is it just market related? Let's see, Bitcoin Cash. We got the price analyst just about 22 hours ago. Let's see what they reckon. Where could Bitcoin Cash end up? Can it bring us more money? Can it go higher? Bitcoin Cash. While the daily time frame noted a couple of green candlesticks as Bitcoin Cash closed in on the 1460 mark, currently it's above that mark. There was some skepticism in the market. The RSI moved back in the overbought territory and indicated another pullback moving forward. Prominent areas of support lay at $1,280 and $1,100. If Bitcoin Cash breaks these days, buying could take place at 820, a region that considered with the 50 SMA. In case of a favorable outcome, the bulls have to retake 1570 upper ceiling. Further hikes in the 24-hour trading volume would signal an incoming price swing. However, a dodgy candle or bearish spinning top would confirm a pullback. So we still got room for more profits. If I look at it, up to 1570 is around another 3%. It can go up more or less 6%. According to them, that's a decent move up. Let's see and make sure. Around the 1570 mark. That will give us another potential move of about 6%. According to the analyst and what they're reckoning, it might still move. The next one up 10% also after yesterday's drop. Let's see comp. Any indication of compound, why it's moving? No news, so this is market related. The compound governance token is a governance token on the compound finance leading protocol. Comp allows the owner to delegate voting rights to the address of their choice, the owner's wallet, another user, an application, or a DeFi expert. Anybody can participate in compound governance by receiving delegation without needing to own compound. Interesting coin. Market related at this stage. SNX. Some interesting coins. This is Finnic network token. Been up nicely after a decent drop. Moving upwards. Let's see, is there any news supporting it? No news, just market related, a retracement after a big drop. Let's see if we take the Fibonacci line, what it's saying and where it might be going. Oh gee. So it's broken through a few levels. If it closes above this one, we can see it going above the 1850 mark. Will it stay there or will it drop? Will it get there? We don't know. But the market is pushing it up. Stellar, a big mover from yesterday. Is it still moving? Yes, it's still up over the 7%. Is there any news regarding it? Or is it only the market pushing it currently up? So the latest news from Stellar was 23 hours ago. Let's see. stably integrates USDC and USDS deposit withdrawals for Stellar-based wallets. Stably and Stablecoin as a service solution today announced it has a new stablecoin bridge on the Stellar network for Stellar USDC. This integration includes Stellar USDC, a USD stablecoin issued by Circle and government by the Centrum Consortium, and USDS, stably Stellar-based USD stablecoin. This partnership extends a widely adopted ecosystem standard to Stellar USDC, allowing Stellar-based applications and wallets to seamlessly facilitate deposits and withdrawals of the asset for their users. So without a doubt and without knowing it, Stellar also have a stable coin on their network, and that explains the volume and why it's moving up. But where could this take this coin? How far could it take it? What's the possibilities? Tron, the dApp king. Is it moving due to new dApps that's coming out? Or is it market related? Is there anything that's pushing it up or just standing still? The latest news was the article I did previously, but I'll show it again, where Justin Sun offers 50 million DOGECOIN for Tron and BTT SpaceX satellite launch. The announcement of this pushed DOGECOIN up yet again, and the Tron and BitTorrent price. Lately, a lot of announcements from big names out there just keeps pushing prices up and helping them go, which makes a difference, because where would we end up? But let's see, this is the top 10 movers the last few hours. EOS just broke 40% yet again. And in the top 50, do we see anyone in the negative? Hardly just. Of the top 50 coins on this list, I'll be moving that to a top 100 coins. We only see one in the red, so everything is retracing and doing better after yesterday's flash drop. All green, have a good night, and see you tomorrow.